Hello students, today I am explaining about electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic amines. Okay, this is especially in aniline. I'll explain this reactions. So if you observe aniline, and H2 group of aniline is more reactive in nature and it activates a ring especially in ortho-para positions. Okay, so why it is only called as ortho-para directing group? Actually, an H2 group is ortho-para directing because it activates ortho-para positions of the aniline. Okay, so why it is called as ortho-para directing group? Let us see. Okay, because of the resonating structures. If you observe the resonating structures, then you can clearly understand. Okay, so firstly I am taking the aniline. So this aniline donates electrons to the ring, no? It activates its electron releasing group and donating electrons. So when it is donating electrons, I am shifting the bond towards this side. This carbon gets negative charge. Okay, this carbon gets positive charge. This positive charge and the lone pair of electron donation forming the double bond here. And nitrogen donated electrons, no, it gets a positive charge. Now this carbon, ortho carbon, is having the negative charge. So again I'll shift this bond. When I am shifting this bond, this carbon gets positive charge, this carbon gets negative charge. This positive charge and this negative charge forming a double bond here. And this para position gets a negative charge now. Again I will shift this bond. This bond, when I am shifting this bond, this carbon gets negative charge, this carbon gets positive charge. This positive and negative charges forms a double bond here. Okay, now this carbon having the negative charge. Again ortho carbon gets the negative charge. Again, in order to satisfy the positive charge of nitrogen, I'll shift this bond. And this carbon gets positive charge and this positive charge is nullified. And this positive and negative charges forms a double bond. Finally, we are getting the aniline. These are the resonating structures of the aniline. If you observe the resonating structures, you can clearly observe ortho, para and this ortho positions getting the negative charge. Always electrophile is positive in nature. It accepts electrons from the negative charge. Okay, so now what will happen? It can this negatively charged positions can attract this electrophile easily. Okay, so electrophilic substitutions of this aniline always takes place in the ortho and para positions because of the resonance stabilization. Okay, now let us see the reaction. First reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, that is halogenation. Halogenations is nothing but addition of halogens. Especially 7A group elements are called halogens. Already you know fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Here I am adding bromine to the aniline. That's why it is called as the bromination reaction. So let us see the bromination reaction now. So I am taking aniline now. Okay, to the aniline I am adding bromine because NH2 is more reactive in nature and it activates all ortho-para positions. What will happen? All ortho-para positions in the ring substituted by the Briard. So I am adding bromine water. So when I am adding bromine water, all these ortho-para positions are substituted and forming 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, which is white color powder. Okay, so now we are getting tri-substitute derivative. Okay, so in order to get mono-substituted derivative, in order to get mono-bromoaniline, what we have to do? We have to decrease the activity of NH2 group. In order to decrease the NH2 group activity, I'll do the acetylation process. Okay, acetylation process I will do. That is, I'm taking the aniline, I'm adding acetic anhydride now. Acetic anhydride formula you can clearly observe, CH3CO twice O. Okay, CH3CO present 2 times in this ring, in this structure. So in NH2 we are having 2 hydrogens, no? This hydrogen and CH3CO combining together and forming CH3COOH outside, it liberated out. And now this N is forming bond with CH3CO, COCH3. So now we are getting aniline, which is nitrogen, which is bonded to COCH3, NH-COCH3. That is called acetanilide. So we have acetylated the ring. Now the activity of NH2 is decreases because CO is electron withdrawing, little bit electron withdrawing. Because of that, this electrons on the N is attracting towards C also. So now we can get the mono-bromo product, not the tri-bromo product. Okay, now acetanilide is there, no? To this acetanilide, I am adding the bromine, which is dissolved in acetic acid. So when I am adding bromine, we are getting 2 products. that is para-bromoacetanilyl and ortho-bromoacetanilyl. Okay, here para-bromoacetanilyl is a major product and ortho-bromoacetanilyl is very minor product, because here we are having NHCOCH3 and we are side by side. Both are getting repulsions. When you are adding both, you'll get the repulsions here easily. Because of this repulsions, it is unstable in the nature. So because of that reason, we are getting the para-bromoacetanilyl as a main product. So to this para-bromoacetanilyl, we can do the hydrolysis. When I am doing the hydrolysis, CH3COOH, or here also or here, we can remove the CH3COOH outside, and this H plus is reacting with the NH and forming the NH2 on the ring. So finally you are getting para-bromoaniline. Even though you are getting ortho-bromoaniline, it is very minor, so no need to mention in the reaction. You can simply mention the para-bromoaniline as a product in this reaction. Okay, so this is, in order to get mono-bromo derivative, we have to protect the ring, or we have to substitute the hydrogen atom by the acetic anhydride. Because of this acetylation, we will decrease the rate of reaction. Actually, when NH2 is present, it is very reactive, and we are getting tri-substituted product. When we are doing acetylation, it is less reactive and rate of reaction decreases, and we are getting the mono-substituted derivative as a product. Okay, so this is completely about electrophilic substitution reason and halogenation process. Okay, so practice the reaction with the steps and the reasons. Okay, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and share the videos. Thank you so much for watching.